how to log into your Kayak account after forgetting password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into any sort of browser and then simply search for kayak.com. And after doing that, here you can actually see the option of your profile like icon. Tap on that one on the top right corner. Here you can actually get 3 different options. So if you have connected your account using any of those platforms like your Google ID or Apple ID, you can tap on them and then you can add in all of the credentials in order to log in, right? But if you have used like your email address, or if you have used the manual method, then you can tap on continue with email right here, enter your email address, then tap on sign in. Then you'll actually be able to get the password option. What you're going to do is write in the password and sign in. But if you have in case forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forgot password that you'll be able to see on the bottom left corner right here. Tap on that one, then you can simply open the password reset email sent by Kayak, and then you can follow the link, follow all of the on-screen prompts, and then you can create yourself a new password. Then come back to your login page, use that new password in order to log into your Kayak account.